Robotic Process Automation, RPA, Part 1. A scenario. Your boss asks you to fill data from the Excel file onto your company web portal. He wants it by the day end. Could be a nightmare for you to enter repetitive data by opening different interfaces of the web portal. I want a robot. Don't worry, Python can do this for you. Will it be difficult to code? Not at all. As much easy as you write normal English sentences. RPA or Robotic Process Automation enables you automate repetitive processes. So what I need to do? Not much. Install RPA, an external package using pip install RPA command in the command prompt of Windows. Import RPA in your Python interpreter and start coding. Let's start learning RPA. I have opened Thorny IDE for Python. A very user-friendly interpreter. You must have Google Chrome installed on your machine. You will only need to install RPA module. Open Windows command prompt and install it using pip command. It is giving me prompt that it is already installed on your system. If it is not installed, it will finish all necessary installation for you. You are now ready to run it. Switch back to Python interpreter. You can import RPA module in your Python file as you normally import Python packages. I need to initialize the automation. After this command, Python will start automation. The default parameters are false, true and false. If you want to use default setting, then you can leave parentheses empty. The first parameter sets visual automation on or off. Second one opens Google Chrome or not, and last one decides about starting turbo mode. Turbo mode enables you to run your script at much faster speed. Pros and cons are there though. Use URL command to open any website in Chrome browser that you want to automate. I will open the home page of Wikipedia for demonstration purpose. The website should be in quotation marks. I have copied the link and pasted in Google Chrome to manually open the website. You need to browse through the website you want to automate. In this case, I am interested in the text box so that when I ask Python to search for text, it performs the task automatically. Open developer options by pressing Ctrl, Shift and I keys simultaneously. On the right pane, select arrow symbol and select the text box you want for automation. Left-click the three buttons on the right pane. A dialog button will open on your system. Use Copy button to copy X path. Return to Python interpreter. Use Type command to enter just copied X path in single quotation marks. X path enables you to select the web element for placing your text. Now, write the text in quotation marks that you want RPA to search automatically. I want my program to search for Pakistan. Put enter command in brackets. It will start search process by Wikipedia. You may want to use wait command to ensure that your desired web page with results is opened completely before performing further operations. The default value of wait command is 5 seconds. You may change it as per your requirement. Use snap command to take screenshot of visible web page. I am using web element as page. That means the web page. Then you need to provide the name of file to be stored with extension. I have used JPG as extension. The file will be saved under the root directory. the folder in which I have saved my RPA Python file. In case you want a text version of the webpage, use text command. Then use write command to save the text file under the root directory. Finally, use close command to close browser windows and terminate the program. Let's run our first RPA program. As I click the Run button, a Chrome browser is automatically opened. The Wikipedia webpage is opened. Search text is automatically written along with Enter command. The required web page is displayed. The browser is automatically closed as it completes automation. Let's open my root directory where I should the saved text and screenshot files. You can see both files are in the given directory. I will open the screenshot file firstly to show you. Screenshot nicely taken by the program. Similarly, the text file can be opened to see the content. All the web page text is copied nicely here. You see how helpful RPA can be to us. I reached to end of part 1 of RPA. You should not stop playing with your test websites. Till then, goodbye.